Hey, what's up, guys? Once again. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to put a little lip, like a little 1-inch lip, on your 240. I bought it, I think at Home Depot. Man, I bought this kit or this roll for like, I don't know, like $10 or a little less than $10 a long time ago. I was gonna put it on my other car, but I never got around, so I sold that car. So now I'm going to be putting it on my 240, and let me show you guys what it is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a little rubber piece. It's used for garage doors, and it's pretty flexible, pretty durable. They do sell one on eBay. I think it's called Easy Lip, but that thing is hell expensive, and I think this one will get the job done. So all we need, I mean, some people put like double-sided tape, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't have double-sided tape, so I'm just gonna use self-tappers, see if that helps. But if I find any double-sided tape, I'll probably use that too. Maybe, we'll see. Okay, so I did find some double-sided tape. This is not the one you're supposed to use for this, but I'm just gonna use it just to hold the pieces, or hold this thing on the bumper so I can drill it. I'm not gonna use, I don't even have enough to do, a full strip. So I'm probably gonna do a little sections of like 3 inches maybe, or something like that. So let's see, let's get to it. Okay, so all you really need, if you have double-sided tape, you can use that, but it's better to use the actual, heavy-duty double-sided tape. This is a 3M, but it's for gift wrapping and shit like that. Also, you're gonna need some screws, some self-tapping screws. That's what I have. I bought the 3/4 inch ones, that you don't really need them that long. So this length should be just fine. And you need your impact or your drill, whatever you're gonna use. Since they're self-tappers, I'm not gonna pre-drill, nothing like that. So let's just get to it. Okay, so what you want to do, if you're gonna use double-sided tape all the way, you want to clean the surface with some alcohol or some degreaser or something like that, because this double-sided tape is not going to stick. But I'm not using a lot of this. I'm just using it just to hold it temporarily, so I can use the impact. But it's gonna look something like this, something like that. I think it's gonna look good. If you want, you can just put a screw right there, line it up with the bumper, and just work your way, maybe every 6 inches or so. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, so this is how it's looking so far. So it's gonna get to a point that it's gonna be a straight line like that. And what I like to do, or what I'm gonna try to do, make a little cut, like a little triangle cut, like that. That way we can turn, because if not, it's gonna look all weird. But this is how it's looking so far. Again, if you don't want to put screws through your bumper, just use double-sided tape. But I really don't care, so I'm using screws. So let me make that little cut, and then I'll show you guys. So you guys see, I make like a little triangle notch. So when we go set it, we are able to, see, make that little turn like that. And then we just continue all the way down. Then we put a few more screws. Okay, so once you get down to that corner, just follow the line, nice and straight. I decided to do like 2 inches apart or something like that, 2 to 3 inches. That way you don't have too many, too many gaps. This corner looks kind of funky, but should be alright. Should strain out once we get up to this point. So that's how it's looking so far. And again, once you get to this corner, you make a little notch cut, little triangle cut. That way you can bend it that way. So you kind of go right there, and then you just cut it that way and that way. That way your plastic can bend like that. That's how it's looking so far. I think it's looking pretty good. For the low, for the cheap, you can have a little adorable, nice lip. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we're back. I had to take a little break because my phone was dying. So I got the little curve. Not perfect, but it looks alright. So now get some scissors and you cut it. Either follow the angle of the fender, or you can cut it like this, like that, or straight, however you want it. But I'm just gonna go with the angle like this, just a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a cut, and this is the finished product. Don't mind the scratch. I'm gonna clean that up right now. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? If you do, please comment down below. If you don't like it, still comment. Type down though, I fucking hate it. But I think I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I just have to kind of clean it up, put some armor or something, kind of make it shiny. But I think it's pretty good. You guys can see, flexible and durable. I'm thinking I can even do that to the side. Put some of the side skirts maybe. I don't know, what do you guys think? That looks pretty clean. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.